I'll request Sir Principal, Mr. Bhanupratap Pant, to kindly address the August gathering. Over to you, sir.
Thank you very much, Shiny ma'am. And you have already said about the purpose of the summer school extravaganza, which we have organized, where we had an unprecedented participation of students, not only from our school, but from outside schools also. There were 15 schools from different locations of not only Ajmer, but Ajmer district. And over a period of 5 days, we are putting it up.
When I was a student in Mayo College Girls School, so very warm thank you to all of you. Art, as all of you know, children, is a self-expression, and it is a way of life. In a short while from now, I would be seeing your lovely paintings and your artwork. And let me tell all of you a bit about what I feel about art as a, you know, it is a way of life. I don't consider it to be a subject per se. Art is an expression of what one's soul feels. And it is, you know, every person, every child is born an artist.
Now I'll request our dear chief guest to kindly address the August gathering. Over to you, sir.
Thank you so very much. I'm so proud to be here and to be a part of this wonderful function and to hear about so many accomplishments in the field of music which the school is carrying on and organizing. I think music, like Principal Sir said, is a part of our being. And it's very important for us to learn to play or to sing in any form, whether it's an instrument, whether it's singing, and it makes a big difference to our personality. I also feel, I've read as well, that it helps us in studies as well. I mean, I don't know, but I remember many students who became engineers and doctors and took up other professions were very good in music as they were growing up. So I think music has benefits all across, in all different ways. It will benefit us. It will help us to be polite, to be good, to be well behaved, at the same time to be intelligent, also to be ambitious. So I think the school is doing a wonderful job. The teachers, Gaurav sir, Shiny ma'am, under the wonderful principal, the Ma'am Mamta, and the entire governing council. It's such an honor to see the school coming up, to see the children doing so well, especially my field, which is music, to see it going so beautifully.
Now, I'd like to invite Uma Shankar sir, and please say something about the dance and theatre. Will be really enlightened by you, sir. Can we have a few words from you, sir?
Thank you very much, ma'am. And first of all, I will like to thank Principal Sir Monica Mamta ma'am for inviting me for such a beautiful, wonderful presentations. And in this pandemic situation, we all those who are related with the practical things, practical activities, were really missing out all these things. And it's a really great platform. And I think this credit goes to the management, Principal Mamta ma'am, and of course the dance teacher as well, to coordinate such a big number of students to participate and go ahead, because life doesn't stop. Life should not stop. Show must go on. It's a big say. It's a very old say. The show must go on. The things will come and go, but then we have to stand. We have to stand for us, for our next generation, and give them such a wonderful memories. कि इस बुरे वक्त में भी हमने इतने अच्छे से उसको निभाया. So I'm congratulating all the winners today, and I'm happy to see after a long time we are watching something practical on screen. Never mind, we will be on stage back again. Thank you very much.
Thank you so much, sir. You brought smiles on our faces. Let me tell you this. I was so happy to listen to you, sir. And I'm so eagerly waiting to meet you. Once this pandemic is over, I will surely be there to see you, sir.
Definitely, definitely.
Because it's a marvelous opportunity for me to connect with children, which has always been my intention. And I'm just so grateful to be here. Well, Yoga International Day. It's a fantastic day because we have designated a day for yoga, but I believe every day is Yoga Day. Just like you do brush your teeth, take a shower, do all your other chores, yoga should be literally part of your life, right? But having said that, International Yoga Day is fantastic because it unites so many people across the world to celebrate this science. Why do I call yoga a science? Because I believe it is.
So I would really once again congratulate the school and the parents that no matter, it could have been like a break for you also. That, oh, 1 month is coming, no online classes, nothing is going to happen, and let me just relax. But you did not make that happen. You did not let the learning of your child stop even in the summer break. So congratulations to everybody who participated. This clearly shows how much do you care for your child. And, also big congratulations to all the winners, because we are here to acknowledge and celebrate and, give the prizes to the winners of today. But we should always keep telling our children that you did win today, but it is not important or necessary that you might win tomorrow also. So winning can be a habit, but then what the process of winning requires is something that we need to teach in children. Okay. Thank you so much, parents. And I'm looking forward for the prize distribution ceremony very eagerly. And once again, thank you, Priya, and thank you, Bhanu sir, for inviting me and making me a part of this.
We also appreciate our parents who have been working behind the scene, and all our teachers, activity teachers who have really worked very hard. Over 5 days, we are taking this program of prize giving ceremony for all the events, for all the groups. So thank you so much, everyone, for the support and cooperation.